Thinking about a restoration of the ancient Olympic Games. Here I, Tanis Coralee of Seattle, think through a restoration of the ancient Olympic Games, that is, reinstating the Olympic Games of my broader Greco-Roman family. So today is Wednesday, 13 August 2025, and I was thinking, so I lived in Alpha Z Delta sorority for a couple of terms, 24/7, when I attended the University of Washington. And part of our education in being in a sorority was learning about being educated in, maybe is a better way of putting it. We even had quizzes on Greek culture, and in addition to like being schooled in Greek culture and mythology and stuff, and the Romans and stuff when I was in school and pretty early on. And so not like college, like pre-college. And so there's a big difference in terms of location and sports offered. I would kind of put as and maybe importance in dedication or commitment to the Greeks and Greek culture and the broader Greco-Roman family. So here, this is a Weekend Wednesday kind of inspired pick of just kind of like, sometimes I think about stuff like this on the weekends. So today is a Weekend Wednesday, 13 August 2025 for me. And this is kind of an ode, a dedication to my broader Greco-Roman family. And these games would be held every 4 years in summer in Greece and have the original sports only. So those sports would be restricted only to the original sports, such as Greco-Roman wrestling and discus. And if it were actually high profile enough, it'd be cool if it were only people of Greco-Roman ancestry. But I think the dedication to Greek heritage, Greek culture is non-existent in the modern Olympic Games, but I don't really think that that's the intent, right? It's not held in Greece every time. It doesn't feature only the original sports. It doesn't have the same kind of Greek build-up that the original and the ancient Olympic Games did. And so personally, I might actually enjoy the ancient Olympic Games, because in that sense of, Greco-Roman wrestling, and I am Roman ancestrally by origins, it'd be, this might be a games that I might actually enjoy watching. So, because it is my broader Greco-Roman family, and to see it done right would be something that has not existed or happened in my lifetime. So I was born approximately 1993 AD, and no, there's not been a single Olympic Games contested correctly per Greco-Roman standard. So there we go. So I was thinking about a restoration of the ancient Olympic Games.